Hello, in this video we are going to see how Java util concurrency cyclic barrier works in Java. So I'm going to create a cyclic barrier example here, example program. So cyclic barrier is used to make threads wait for each other. So basically if you need to provide a end result after executing so many threads and I need to get an end result after all thread is executed, then threads will wait each other for the end result. So how we can do that? So by an example, I will show you how we can yeah, we can run that program. So actually I am going to create a Java class here. So cyclic barrier cyclic barrier tester. It will be the perfect name. Okay. So inside that, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to add implements runnable. So it will ask for me to, okay, it will ask for me to implement that method. I'm doing that one. So before that, what else I need to here? I need to be in this class. Actually, I need two classes. Both will implement runnable. So one should be a something like a product or something. Then the another class should be a sum. Probably the sum need to wait until all the product class will execute. That's where I'm going to do that. So I'm going to create a class what name I will give. So something like class process one or something. Yeah, process one implements runnable. So here I have one class process one. Like that, I will have another class called class process two that also implement runnable. So I am implementing that runnable. Okay, I'm done with that. So basically, in my this one, I will have a public static in product or something, and it should be zero also. The initially it will be zero. Then product, I am calculating my product. So product should be 2 into 3 or whatever we can. Then I will have a try catch block here. So in try catch interrupted exception, or I need to have something like broken barrier exception. Okay, so I will accept as a E. So I should have a catch block also. So here what I'm going to do. So first I need to implement the tester class. So in tester class, I will have one cyclic barrier instance variable, and I am making as a static also. Public static cyclic barrier, and I will give new cyclic barrier. Then I will just initialize that one. So I'm done with that part. But I need to mention how many parties. So basically, if the thread count, how many threads I need to make cyclic barrier. So I'm just mentioning three here right now. And again, in run method, what I'm going to do, run method, um, I have this new cyclic barrier, so I'm just copying that here, and in my run method I am getting my parties. So actually it's saying like how many parties I have. So basically in this scenario it's not make any sense, so I'm not printing that one. Then what else I need to do? So I need to call my first class to this one. So if I am here, I have this one, and I have new cyclic barrier as a static variable, and I am calling this one await method. So I'm done with the first class. The second class I am going to do right now. Second class, what I will do. Second class also I will call the await method, but I will find a sum here. So I need a public static int sum. Initially it should be 0. Then inside that one the same way. I will calculate my sum of something. Sum is equal to 10 plus 20. Okay, so the remaining part I will make it in my second video. So please tune for my second video.